Star here. We all know that gift cards are a great way to increase revenue as well as build customer loyalty. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create gift cards inside of HighLevel, how to actually sell them, send them, and track them. Let's dive in. All right, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left-hand side, go ahead and select payments. Once you've selected payments, you're just going to go ahead and scroll to the top and you're going to go ahead and click on gift cards. Once you've selected gift cards, you'll be taken to a screen to create that gift card. We're just going to go ahead and click the blue plus sign to create our first gift card. Now it's going to ask you for basic information. You can actually name the gift card, add a description for the gift card, set an expiration date, and you'll be able to redeem a URL, which is optional. Okay, you can select this if you don't want to include a link along with the gift card. And if you do want to include a link along with the gift card, you'll just go ahead and select link to URL. Okay, so now we've named our gift card. We've set the description. I do want to show for the expiration date, you can select tomorrow, 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year to make things easier, or you can manually go ahead and select that date. Then you're just going to go ahead and add your terms and conditions. You'll just type those in. And in my case, I'm going to go ahead and leave that URL optional. Then we'll go ahead and hit continue. Once you've hit continue, we're going to customize the card. You get the option to fully design this. So the first thing you can do is you can create a gradient. You'll notice that it has the description and the information that we selected for this gift card. And we have some nice colors here, but you can also go ahead and change the start color that you would like, and you can add the end color that you like to add for that gift card. And now we've updated the gift card design. Now you also have the ability to change the direction, and you can select various options here. You can go ahead and select add to templates if you want to make this a template. Then we're going to go ahead and continue. Next, you're going to go ahead and select the denomination options. So you have many options that you can add in terms of pricing. Just go ahead and select the ones you want. By default, we have 10, 25, 50, 100, 200, and 500. I'll add all of those. But if you want to add specific amounts, you can also type that in here. If we wanted to go ahead and add 600, we'll go ahead and add that by selecting add. Now you can manage your gift card inventory, which I love. This allows you to control how many gift cards can be sold. So if you want to define that quantity, just go ahead and select this, and then you can put in the number of gift cards. You can also choose to allow sales when out of stock. For information around tax, this gives you the flexibility to sell your own products with or without tax. So if you have product tax categories that you want to include, just go ahead and select that, and then you'll just choose those tax categories. We're going to go ahead and continue. All right, so we've set up a really beautiful card here, and now you're just going to review your card. You can actually edit it by clicking on the pencil icons next to the preview section, as well as the other information that you've added, categories, values, etc. I do also want to show you how you can customize your gift card with your own custom design. So we're going to go ahead and edit this design. We're going to upload custom artwork, select edit, and double click the gift card design that you want to upload. So now that we've uploaded this happy birthday design, I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now my gift card is fully designed the way that I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and create that gift card. You can edit this gift card by clicking on the edit by going to the pencil icon. You'll come into this area to edit your gift card. Additionally, you can go ahead and delete the gift card by selecting the delete option here. If you want to deactivate this card, you'll just click on this button next to the trash can to deactivate. And then if we want to reactivate it, we'll just go ahead and click that. And now our gift card is active again. If you want to sell your gift card, you'll just click the sell icon and you're going to be taken to a prompt. Now, if you want to go ahead and share this link with customers, they can just purchase this gift card right away. You'll just go ahead to the live checkout link and just select this button to copy the link, and then you can use this link and your customers can purchase that gift card. You also have an embed code, which I love. You can select to copy this embed code and you can embed this gift card directly on your website or landing page. If you want to send this gift card to someone, we also have the send button here. Just go ahead and select send, and you're going to select your customer. So we're going to go ahead and select our customer name, and then you're going to hit continue. You have the option to add a message, and we also have message suggestions below, which make it really nice. Okay, so select anything that you like here and hit continue. Now we have the delivery options. You can select your gift card value. Remember, we've already preset these. So one of the customized amounts that I selected was 600. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And you can just go ahead and select the delivery method. Your delivery methods of sending your gift card will be via email, SMS for text, QR code via email, or PDF via email. So you have a lot of flexibility in the delivery methods here. I'm going to go ahead and select email, and then I'm going to continue. Before you send this gift card off, you see that you have the customer name, the message that it's going to send to them. You see the delivery method that you've selected, so you have a chance to preview everything before you send it out. Once you're ready to send that gift card, you're just going to go ahead and select Send Gift Card. And now your gift card is on its way. To track the number of gift cards that you've sold and the value that you've sold, all you want to do is just head back over to payments, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on gift cards. You'll be taken to the gift card dashboard. Here you can see the total gift cards issued, the total value of the gift cards issued. You'll see the average order value, the number of customers, as well as the top denomination sold. You can just go ahead and select this gift card here, and you can see the specific details for this order, including the order number, who it was sent by from your team, who it's for, the gift card code, as well as the delivery method, and all of the order details for this specific gift card. It's important to note that your customer will have the gift card code, okay? So once they have the gift card code, there are a variety of ways that they can check out. So remember that your customers can check out in a variety of ways. They can check out on forms, funnels, calendars, invoices, stores, and payment links. So let's say that you have a store. Once your customer gets to the checkout page, they're going to go ahead and see the information that they need to enter, including their email address, shipping information, and there's going to be an option for them to redeem this gift card. They'll just simply toggle this on. Once they've toggled that on, they can go ahead and apply the gift card number and select apply. Now you can see that this gift card has been applied to this particular order, and they can select to make that payment. It'll also show them the remaining gift card balance, which is so cool. Go ahead and start setting up gift cards in your business today, increase sales, and offer your customers more flexibility. Don't forget to check out our corresponding help doc below. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.